This video is going to go over an example that is similar to number 6 in your practice. So in examples like this, students sometimes get confused on if you need to distribute, and if so, what it is that needs to be distributed. A lot of times they think that 25 would be that value because it's in front of your parentheses. However, it's not directly in front of your parentheses. You have a minus sign there or a negative. So there's actually an imaginary 1 that you can put directly in front of your parentheses anytime there's not a number. So then what's going to happen is this -1, and you have to take the sign with it, is what will be distributed to both the 10x and to the -30. Remembering that you always take the sign in front with the value. So in that case, 25 drops down, and then we take -1 times 10x, and then -1 times -30. And then this +15 is outside your parentheses, so that also just drops down. Then using order of operations, we need to multiply -1 times 10x. So again, 25 just comes down, and then -1 times 10x is -10x. And then -1 times -30 is +30. Plus 15 comes down. So the big thing is always being careful of your signs. Then in this step, we're going to combine like terms. +25, +30, and +15 that all don't have variables, so those can be combined together. So 25 plus 30 is 55, plus 15 gives me 70. Minus 10x. Then you check to see if those can be combined, but they are not like terms because 70 does not have an x, but -10 does have an x. So that would be your final answer. So 70 minus 10x. Or something else to note is the order could be switched. Just make sure you take the signs with it. So if I want my 10x to be in front, I got to take that negative with it. So it could be -10x and then plus 70, because this 70 is a positive. And that would give you your final answer as well.